Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. As you see, I have my Mattis t-shirt. I think it's appropriate. So anyway, listen, this time we're going to do a technique that we're going to reproduce on a canvas. It's a technique that it's used to people who recycle countertops from kitchen tops, something like that. So I think it's a nice technique, but usually when they recycle a countertop, they do it with resin and epoxy. So the only thing, since it's a bit expensive and we only want to do the same thing on a canvas, we're going to use varnish, spray varnish. I think it's a great alternative. Well, you're gonna see, I think it does the job this way. I think it's a nice way to reproduce marble, a marble finish. Well, we'll see what you think about it, and let's go and see it, and let's come back and talk about it at the end. Let's go. Okay guys, so I don't know about you, but I think the result is great. Okay, it's a little bit more work than the way we did it before, a few months ago, which I have an example. This is what it looks like when we use the simplest technique, which was only water and acrylic, but very much diluted. So it was very fluid, but I think the difference, yes, we have to say it's a nice finish also, but the thing is, it's not quite the same. As you saw, I did use a lot of colors. The reason is that the more you put layers of colors, the more you're gonna have a nice background. You're gonna have a nice effect of deepness in your paint. So that I think it's important. It gives more of a nice finish, and the varnish, we can put some varnish at the end, that's for sure. But why I did put the varnish is because it mixes well with the paint, and it gives a different effect, a bit of an effect, like I said, of deepness. So I think it's very nice. I think it came to be, the colors came to be fluid and nice and natural. So I think for an abstract, we're pretty close of the reality. And I think that as you can see, when you have a countertop that needs recycling, I think it's a nice way to go about it. I think instead of buying a new one, which can cost thousands of dollars depending on the length, of course, I think it's a nice way to go. Then you finish your countertop. Once you do it, you finish it with epoxy. You can even do it on a countertop, on a kitchen countertop, which you have like it's a kitchen outside with a barbecue or something like that. So I think it's a nice finish. So anyway, I hope you enjoy. Like I said, put as much color as you can, and it's going to give different effect and a deepness to it. I think it's nice. So guys, thanks for being here. I hope you like it. I hope you're going to try it. The only thing I would say, the varnish that I use, it's not for inside. So try to find, if you want to do this technique with a varnish in a can, try in spray, try to find someone with a water-based or something you can use inside, because I'm getting a bit woozy with all this. So guys, once again, thanks for being here, and please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.